You are using SMT as some kind of signal service. SMT is not a signal service. Most SMTs are fake. In this lecture, I'm going to lay out for you how to use SMT to your advantage instead of using it as a signal service and be impulsive on SMTs that are getting formed. Everyone is also drawing those divergences, and almost none of them are the real SMTs that are going to form the exact reversal or a deep retracement. And in this lecture, I want to lay down for you what real SMTs actually are. Let's get right into it. A real SMT is relative to a time cycle. Nothing else counts. So a divergence is not a signal, like I said. Open your feed and every chart has an SMT slapped on it. A divergence here, a divergence there, then the market has to reverse now. Most of it is noise. A cracking correlation on its own tells you nothing. So let us separate the real ones from the fake. Cracking correlation in price and time. Two correlated markets, one takes liquidity as a reference. That is what SMT is. The other refuses. The disagreement is the SMT. The word that everyone skips is time. A real SMT sits on the reference that is fixed in time, and it points to where price is drawn next. No time cycle, no SMT. Smart money time. No real reference. A real SMT diverges at a reference that matters. A prior cycle high or low, a key open, something fixed in time. That is what maybe you have to read that again. It is something fixed in time. Go into your charts and you'll see what SMT really counts. A random intra-bar wiggle is not a reference. If you cannot name the cycle it belongs to, it is fake. Both sides diverge. Clean, one-sided. One market diverges, the other holds. That is a clean read. Both markets diverge at the same time. A signal cancels itself. No edge. Disengage. So you want the markets to see markets in tandem, so they have to move at the same side. It's one S is going lower, the other one is going higher. You don't have real SMT because the markets aren't moving in tandem, and the SMT is all over the place. You have SMT on buy side, SMT on sell side, and nothing is sure if you go down, if you go up, and then it's just personal preference, and it's going to be a gambling game. If you want also to see SMTs immediately and don't have to look in your charts, I have a free SMT detector. The link is going to be down below. Out of tandem. The pairing only means something when the markets are moving in tandem. NQ leads, ES and YM travel with it. If they are not correlated in a window, the divergence is meaningless. Out of tandem is low probability and you have to pass on them. No prior thesis, SMT confirms, it does not decide. If you open the chart and hunted for a divergence, you ran it backwards. Build the case first, point of interest, draw on liquidity, then let SMT confirm it. SMT with no thesis behind it, it's just a pattern and you got lucky on it. So here we have a real SMT at the lows. As you can see, you have here your original consolidation at AM1 and London highs. And as you can see, we made here the reversal. Then we had a retracement where after 10 o'clock opened, engineered some buy side, drawn liquidity wasn't yet hit. And you see here 10-minute SMT. And once we displaced above and took internal liquidity, we ran up towards this engineered high and further because it was engineered high in front of a level which is 350 price level. A real SMT prints at lows, one market takes the low, the other holds, price runs and takes the engineered liquidity above. That is the clean read. SMT on both sides. In this case, you have SMT on both sides. You see SMT on the upside, SMT on the downside. Of course, we've taken a lot of buy side, but you see the market has been consolidating, so you don't know yet if we are going down or if we are going up, and this is confirmed once that bearish breaker, for example, is going to be displaced, and it's displaced and then will move towards the downside. And you can also confirm this with the higher time frame. The higher time frame drawn liquidity is going to get hit, and then we move or retrace towards the downside. The bearish SMT up top is looked tradable. It was not confirmed because the opposing SMT printed on the lows at the same time. Two sides divergence cancels the read, because when a divergence is made, you'll probably get a reaction off of it. As you can see here, it also made a reaction off of it. Sometimes the reaction isn't that high, and that's why you confirm it with CSD, SMT, CSD. Real, when it aligns, you see here, we break it, come back into it, and drop lower. It became a real when CSD confirmed with the flip, the break of displaced, a fresh SMT printed with it, and the read finally aligned with what order flow actually did. That is the one you take. SMT is smart money time. This is the piece everyone misses. SMT is not a smart money technique you spot at random. It is smart money time. It is relative to a time cycle. That's exactly why fakes fail. No time cycle behind them, so there was never an SMT to begin with. You look at those time cycles. I'll go into a lecture of the model series. I'll go probably go deeper into those time cycles, how to fractalize them. Maybe it's even already up on my YouTube channel. And if it is, go watch it, and otherwise stay tuned for our next video. The fake SMT checklist. If any one is true, it is fake. No reference fixed in time. You cannot name the cycle. Both markets diverge at once. The signal counts itself. The markets are out of time in that window, and no prior thesis. You hunt the divergence first. Stop trading fake SMTs. Real SMT is relative to a time cycle. Nothing else counts. Go back through your charts and throw out every divergence that fails the checklist. Drop a comment for the next debunk. So, which debunk do you want next? Which quote of trading do you think is fake? And I'll go over it in this debunk series, and I'll explain everything about that topic. I also opened up a daily roadmap, which is now available. I'll put a link also down in the bio for all those people that watched until the end. You're the people I want to give something back to, and that's why I put it in the end of the video. So that's going to be a daily roadmap. You can see your bias for the day, for the session, and it will generate it upon the news. So I put all my knowledge in there, so it will create a fixed bias for the day, what is probably going to happen, manipulate, distribute, right? So go check it out, link is down in the bio, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.